Okay, I think I can go down right here, and I'm gonna try to get a bigger or a better video of that big bird if it's still down here. Sorry if it's windy. I'm not sure that he's still down here anymore. Oh, he's just floating away. I probably can get a better. We're gonna go down. He's just chilling right there, waddling his little behind around, I guess. Okay. I hope I don't like scare him off or anything like that. He's a pretty neat little bird. Not really little, but I personally, I said it in my last video, but I've never seen a bird like this. Look at how close I can get to him. Oh, I hope I can get a little bit closer without him wandering off. Well, he's watching me. He's floating himself away. I'm getting too close. He's floating himself away. There he goes. Anyway, I just wanted a better view. Anyway, sorry. Have a good day.